Guys, and a very good afternoon. I've just come up to do a quick walk around for you of a new listing. I'm not sure yet whether this one's going to make it to the website, but we live in hope, of a beautiful 3-bedroom 2-bathroom villa called Villa Aston. This is the back garden area. You can see pristine pool with an artificially grassed terrace all the way around it. And what I'll do is, I've started in the back, but I'll walk around now to the front and then come back this way again just so you can see what's going on. Approximately 620 metre garden that's been kind of sectioned off. You've got this wonderful little fruit grove area at the end here. Check out those wonderful views, and there's oranges, lemons, established olive tree, and that's all kind of sectioned off by this decorative balustrade wall and the little gate. Coming round this way, you've got the drive area, which has got a single covered carport. You can see double rolling gate access into this, so there's room in here for 2 vehicles. As you can see, tarmac access to the door. So just a look from the other angle for you. So coming in into the driveway and on into that section of the garden. Now, little pathway here going off to the right, and this leads you to the villa's front door. You can see tucked away discreetly there, another privacy wall with a lockable gate, and this leads you into a little storage casita, which I'll show you in a second from the other side. You can see marble top stone cladding around the entire base, and this is the front door area, front door access, sorry. Coming on round again to the back garden quickly, there's a bit of a breeze, so sorry if that's picking up on the soundtrack. You can see a black mosaic pool shower there. These are top quality windows and fittings on here, so they're tilt and turn windows, but high quality doors behind, so that goes into a bedroom. Bow fronted lounge area coming out of that one, straight out to the pool terrace. Now this little patio set and kind of awning and everything is not staying with the property, that's going, but there is some furniture that will be available. And I love this kind of little temporary structure. It's a casita, fly screened enclosed, sits at the end of the pool, provides a fantastic fly screen dining area, entertaining area, perched at the end of the pool. Look at that aspect, absolutely beautiful. Me softly padding there over artificial grass. All around the backdrop is super duper. Now you're within walking distance of a famous bar called Catty's. There's another bar about 1.6 kilometers away, Bar Colorados. Both of these who serve food and stuff alongside of drinks. Arboleas Centre. Took me 6 minutes today to drive down or drive up to here. And there, most of you know, watch the videos, you've got amenities required for day-to-day living. Now, a big hot tub that's staying on the property. The covers of it's been here a long time now, so I'm not quite sure the working order of this. And the covers are kind of a bit dilapidated, but easy to get a new one of those. And the storage shed you saw from the other side there, give you a bit better idea of size. So plenty big enough for kind of bicycles and garden furniture. So let's go and take a look on the interior. So coming on in with the front door behind me, and you'll have to forgive, there's some packing boxes and stuff like that around because its current occupiers are moving out very shortly. So into this nice central hallway, the 3 bedrooms and bathrooms are off of this, and then arched access immediately in front of the front door into this beautiful bow fronted lounge area, which provides around 28 meters of living space, and as you can see, amply Big enough for a living room and a dining room. Corner mounted wood burner fire there. The double door access you saw from the outside that leads you straight out onto the pool terrace. So a little pan from this angle for you. Air conditioning you might have seen from the outside. There's 4 air conditioning units installed in the 3 bedrooms and the lounge here. So entrance hall I came in via, and then as you come into this room to your right, there's a door that takes you into the very good sized, very nicely appointed kitchen. Now this is black litter flake siltstone work surfaces and a little breakfast bar you can see there. And then this has this fantastic picture window looking out over the gardens and the pool area. You can see gas hob, electric oven, and then as part of this design it was standard, so you've got a reasonable utility room with further door access out to the garden, which brings you out just by the utility shed and hot tub area to your left. There you can see you've got washing machines and things and the boiler, so plenty of storage. Let's go and take a look at the bedrooms. We'll start with the principal, why not? So, good size ensuite shower room. Very comfortable room, double bank of fitted wardrobes in here. Further double door access out poolside. Now, there's a lot of personal effects and stuff in there at the moment which will be moved out, so when it comes to viewings it'll probably look a little different. And then guest bedroom to here. Ceiling fan, air conditioning, fly screens, and you can see one of the tilt and turn windows there in front of you. You've got the main family bathroom immediately to your right here, and it divides the master from that guest bedroom, or the principal from that guest bedroom. This is the smallest of the 3 bedrooms. The main guest bedroom to the right of the entrance door. Gone for twin beds in here, but you can see it's certainly big enough to have a nice sized double. See this kind of lovely neutral tiling scheme runs throughout in very good condition. So there you have it, the walk around of Villa Aston. Full details will be available shortly. If you're of interest, you can give us a shout, khalidahomes@hotmail.com. Give us a call, +34 950 430 763. And thanks ever so much for watching.